Alright, so a while ago, probably about 5 months ago, so I bought this 2012 535 X-Drive, and it had an engine issue. But the problem that he told me what happened was he let his nephew drive the vehicle, and he said his nephew hit a pile of like an ice chunk or whatever in the middle of the road, and then blew a hole in the oil pan. So I bought the car the way it sits. But I never bothered to check, just because it was winter and the car's been sitting outside for a while, so I decided to take a look. And this is the first time I've looked underneath here. Let's see if you can see. Okay, so there's the, I believe that's part of the oil pump, and this is an N55 motor. So let's see if I can hold this. Take a look at this. See it just shaking around, cracks everywhere, chunks. You can see bearing pieces. So you can see the pan. No, never mind. That looks like it's part of the. No, that looks like it is the pan. But yeah. Oh, here's a chunk of something. Let's see what this is. No, can't really see. Can't really get that part out, but yeah, that's what else is in here? That's here. Check this out. There's another thing. Take a look at these. This was in the oil pan. It's just popping around. I'm assuming this is probably I want to say this is probably part of the piston. I'm not sure. So yeah, that's pretty interesting. So needless to say, I don't really believe the story that he told me, which isn't a big deal, but it's not easy to find a motor for this one here, as they were only available for a couple of years. But yeah, so we'll see. I might just strip this one here down. It's kind of a shame, but we'll see. Other than that, the car's actually in pretty nice shape. It's been sitting, we're in May, and it's been sitting since, when did I get it? January sometime? This apparently happened in November, so I don't know if you can really see it, but overall the car's actually in pretty decent shape. So, well, no big deal. If I can't find a motor, I'll probably just part it out. So yeah, that's what an N55, a blown N55 looks like. So if you have any other questions, let me know.